Top of the morning to you laddies, D Curry here. Hey yo, what's good y'all? D Curry here, back with another vlog. And the snowstorm has officially passed. We got about, yesterday was 14 inches, I checked. And we got 2 more inches last night. It's probably about 16 inches. But I think I'm gonna take a walk. But first, I gotta use the special mouthwash. Because in case you guys haven't seen my last video, I got my wisdom teeth removed. And I'm pretty much done with medicines. I just gotta use chlorhexidine, whatever. 3 times a day for 2 weeks. It doesn't taste great. It's not pleasant. I will say that. I will acknowledge it's not pleasant. And I'm pretty sure it's mint flavor. I usually use cinnamon mouthwash. A little bit of Red 40 in it, you know what I'm saying? But 10 milliliters. Take it like a shot. Get some shades, hold on. Look at this wall, bro. Holy shit. It's about the height of Slim J, I'd say. Yeah, it's about up to Slim J's ear. There is a car under there, believe it or not. Seagull. The hell are you doing over here, bro? Y'all want to play some basketball? Court's empty today. Let me just... It's days like these where I really wish I had a 4-wheeler. A little Raptor. I used to have a little quad back in the day. I had a dirt bike XR100. Got that thing sold. My dad sold that on me because I got a ticket. And my buddy had no gear on. He had slides on. Shitting me. That was the majority of the ticket. I think I was like 15 at the time. It's been a while since I had a dirt bike or anything. I do have a mini bike. But it's a mini bike, you know? You can only have so much fun on it. It's at my aunt's house right now. Cousin Alex is taking care of it. It's in good hands, though. Yep. Oh, it's in my socks. Damn, he wasn't trying to hoop. I was on the basketball team, but I ain't get to shoot. Hey, bud, slow down, buddy. I'm right here, buddy.
Wanna do it? Yeah. Oh, fucking briars. Holy shit.
What up? How y'all doing? I feel like outdoor boys right now. I'm on the Gulf of Alaska with no tent. I don't trust it though. Oh! Yeah, I'm frozen. Whoops. My leg is numb! Help! Yeah. Alright, my mom's boyfriend's gonna pick me up in like 10 minutes. We're gonna hit Dunkin', then we're gonna hit the gym. I don't know if I should be working out with the wisdom teeth removal, but I don't care. I'm at my mom's crib. Driveway's still kind of, you know, I think I'm gonna help shovel a little bit. Shovel right there. All I'm gonna go say what's up. Say what's good to the cats. Hello, Rain. What are you doing?
Oh, Rain, you're annoying.
What's up, baby girl? Did you miss me? Nasty slushy, boy. Looking better.
You get a 6-inch?
Picking up little bro from school. What up, buddy? How was your day? All right. How was school, bro?
Fun.
It was fun? That's what's up.
No, get up.
You helping?
Yes.
I think I should jump in that, huh?
Come on.
You have fun?
Fun.
Hell yeah. You want to play some GTA?
Yeah.
Who do you want to be, Michael, Franklin, or Trevor?
Truck.
Trevor? Alright, bro. See where this guy's at. Alright, y'all, it's the next day. I'm getting ready to go. I got a checkup with the oral surgeon, the people that took my wisdom teeth out. They're gonna check the holes, whatever. So I'll see y'all there. Alright, y'all, they said everything looks good. I can basically eat whatever food I want now, which I've been kind of doing the past couple days anyway. But I'm gonna head to my mom's house again, hang out for the day, so I'll catch y'all there. What's up, Brain? How you doing?
Look down.
Baby girl. Get back here. How are we gonna get to the tire swing? Oh no. Wanna go swimming? Take an ice bath?
No, but you.
You don't push me, I push you.
I don't know what you're doing. No. One. Let's give him the beast.
Jump off.
No!
Push me. Push me on the swing.
Okay. I can't.
You can't do it?
I can't do that.
You can do it, you're strong enough. Thanks, bro. Have a seat, my friend. Whoops.
What are you doing?
That was anticlimactic. Whoa. Jesus. Kid's got a weapon. Get that thing concealed, yeah? Devin was here. I sprayed that on there probably 2016, 2015, 2016. I don't even know if he was born yet. Just gonna drive into the bank. What the hell is that? It's a dinosaur. They're having a meeting.
They're napping.
It's like an orange.
No, what kinds these are. Doesn't even say what they are.
Look at this douchebag with his hair all pulled up. Spiky.
Oh, rules. They're just rats.
Damn, she's talking shit about you guys.
Hick.
He's embarrassed. Big ass forehead, bro. Looks like KSI. Jesus, dude. Alright, you guys, that'll do it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care.